Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome to Coco of the Matter for inside your Ogbonge station, Wazobia Max TV. Time don't reach for us to enter inside another hot story where they carry, they bring, they call, they give una from the different parts of the country. They tell you now waiting they happen for this our country, Nigeria, and how we go take, they know how to they manage the story them where they can't enter inside our front. My name is Somi Alegino. Better welcome to all of una where they join us from the different places, whether na Star Times, Go TV, YouTube, any which way where you did, DSTV, all of una, we greet una. Plus our special people where they inside the terrestrial. Yes, we greet all of una, especially once again. Welcome. I dey here with my Oga at the top.
That's why you may make I call you Miss Fine Macaroni. I like this your hair.
Family me.
Do it like this. Just do it like this first.
You do your own first. You know say they die your own.
If I do now, all the dye go pour for my wife too. May I stay one place. May we select our husband. I know say I don't patch color put am.
Thank you.
May no day, may no go.
Thank
your
you,
hair fine. Fine.
Thank you.
Your color.
You see your own too now.
It come out well.
Thank you.
He's doing good.
Thank you.
Our money is working.
You don't,
Campaign don't
which
start.
money?
Campaign don't start.
I beg you, the glory of the Lord is risen upon me. That's all I'm gonna say about that matter. Welcome once again to the show. Femi, how you see today's show now?
Today we dey full here everywhere. All the talk where they are front, now won't bring give you. Anywhere we now want Jamus join us. We did now know the one number. It go past more time from now. WhatsApp self will follow inside the program today. But remember, say inside program today, we won't come follow this matter of Labour Party. Collect money, I know collect money. They collect money, I know they collect money. This one, they get one way they call Obiddatti movement. And then third first agenda and Labour Party manifesto. All these things, it be like saying a big English. But when I use better hand select, say person where one chop vegetable, where get stock fish, you must get patience, open eye, know where the bone is, select and come out for inside the tin. May stock fish bone, may no be like say something way sweet past, now you can't cut your tongue. Now you won't come look that kind of matter, investigate, put eye, select where the stockfish bone they separate from where the better fish stay inside matter now we dey inside program. My name na Femi D. Amele. Carry welcome. This one I go try manage news. No, if I go call on now, they go feel say they want sue me, say I want do name. I want ask Miss Macaroni, I want borrow name German, I want but I go dey think the name one I go call myself. Yes now.
I give up.
You give up.
I give up.
You just start.
You na ancestor now. We will just leave am for ancestor. Ancestor Amele.
I just dey learn work. Oga Joe no go like this way they start.
You know, and the reason why the ancestor I feel like say make plenty sense because you know say all the talk where they talk, they bring proverb they join. So it be like say our forefathers then they don't they don't train
they
you.
Cook me.
They don't train you down.
Nah, go I won't be before. They cook me like
ancestor. The rest go they follow as we they see.
I don't do freedom, Sha. Make I just tell you in case you get consultancy where you don't give me. I start about this work, no can do freedom. Now the thing will happen for that one be that.
Welcome. All right, family, don't tell you that waiting day on ground today. Just to add small to that talk, una know say ever since Oga Peter Obi come out from inside PDP, saying one enter inside Labour Party, come be like say new things they happen onto the Peter Obi movement. So waiting we want to touch light today, we go see join and add to the one with Femi don't already talk. Any difference day between Labour Party and the Peter Obi movement. Outside of Peter Obi Labour Party Day, I get to ask that question and I will go like make una follow us the answer inside with our guests. You get two hot guests that will follow us touchlight all this matter them. And the reason why they're very important now because I see one story, Femi, I know whether you see him. Like 5 days ago thereabout, where Oga Peter Obi come out and talk say in ideology, that's the things where they believe in and the way it go carry they follow matter for inside country. Say no, they different from Atiku own. So when you hear that kind of thing and you know say Atiku they carry matter of PDP, Peter Obi they carry matter of Labour Party, and in the man himself he talk say your own ideology difference not really there like that for inside Atiku own. So when you look at the matter, you go reason and say the person where they carry this presidency or this candidacy, anyone we want call them, you feel separate them from the party. I be whether the party and the person like how will they reason all these things because it is very important. Anyway, make a not to talk plenty one. When I don't hear the cocoa of the day, but
this kind of thing go require me our draw glasses come down. They look Peter Obi for up, they look Labour Party for that.
It's okay.
Atiku and Obi, they difference to you, they resemble for you. All right, we'll look the matter. Anyone where you see, whether now up you see or now down you see, we'll see what you see when we reach that bus stop. Before then, we'll enter political waka, find Tori, we don't happen for inside country. I don't even see things, make I just this glass come back. I don't see things when past my power now. Before be like say things don't they change color. We they come back, sit down put for inside political waka. What you now they see, we'll join the talk from there.
All right, we talk saying a matter of plenty of last for our president. Well, it be like saying don't carry in last budget proposal when you want to submit, give a National Assembly, and they say in don't this proposal when you go present now 19.76 trillion naira proposal. Now in there on top of the matter.
According to Tori wey don dey come outside, the one wey they call Alcon, they don't they look with federal government say they go sue Meta 30 billion naira over unapproved advert. For those wey know Meta, now then get Facebook, now then get Instagram, now then get all these kind of things. Now in the one wey they call Advertising Regulatory Council of Nigeria, don't say if they collect money for advert from Nigeria hand, now go they give Nigerian government if a 30 billion, now you won't draw a thought for.
For inside our next story, this one get to do with the ever-going, non-ending. It be like say the team just want to continue. They go ASU strike. Where this time around the Bonga government don't take action. They don't vex. They say they don't find a way to break the rank of ASU because they register 2 new academic unions. One the NAMDA, will be National Association of Medical and Dental Academics, and second one a Congress of Nigerian University Academics, CONWA. They say this CONWA especially, like say they don't derive ASU for some time. Well, the Bonga government don't give them license. How the matter go they be, we go reach that side.
Oh, from there, police don't look himself, can't arrest, can't dismiss 7 officers, top officers wey follow their work. They say these people, they don't use sense to work now. They don't want embarrassment the police. Now they say, can't come up for this work. No spoil and name, finish. They recover them from where it is.
And the next story we're inside our hand. Now, good news for people who are inside Lagos State, especially public servants, them, because people like say for about 100,000 of them, Oga Babajide, someone who will be Lagos State governor, in don't declare say they go carry their salary go up. People like say their new minimum wage now go be 35,000.
Inside Ebonyi. Now run. Now in the run. Now anybody who want to be senator, no must put and leg for run. Court don't sack the one way be oppositing rival. Oppose. A person wey face say you no go gree for Oga Umahi work. Agom Eze from APC. 9 Senate court don't sack am from that work. Now 5 bishop be this. Kai, and now send it for good for our work body.
Ancestors, I don't want to ask you one question. I bet how you see waiting there, but you take no say Senate go good from there.
You never see women when they Senate when they stand. They just don't give me permission. Me cannot they stand. Most supervisor come find me. They stand. You know when they stand, say I want to make a point. You know when they stand, the gele go stand. You get how the gele go stand. They will come adjust bid. You know, that kind of thing. Can't arrange all the English we did their house. Can't explain it. Woman things. It's supposed to be like this, be like this. You know, they be like man hoon. We go say, do I have your protection, my president? You know, woman will just stand.
So based on packaging.
Soft work. Even the clothes. Woman when they send it, no, they need repeat clothes. Now, man, they repeat agbada comes Senate. Woman know they repeat. Woman they repeat clothes. Men are asked now. How many women you know where they repeat clothes? They know they repeat clothes. If you get money, why you go repeat clothes?
Don't do.
You got as I go match my throw yesterday and Saturday for clothes for me for you. Oh, you don't do.
Let me ask you a question.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I don't know.
I collect the question back. Make sure inside all the political work to read the way we fit touchlight this fantastic evening. Oh yeah, now how wanna see this first matter of say Ubonge government don't they reason one way or another. This one a matter of any way na way to break the rank of ASU so that at least they get whether the goal na to they get make the whether this become one now and all this other other union where they create, whether then go resume separate from ASU. I don't know waiting exactly be the goal, but how wanna see this matter? Una the reason say Ubonge government they get sense as they do this thing. Or the sense there, but the sense not too done like that, because waiting really go be the essence of this different organizations. Well, look the matter with us for inside here. They say based on the unreconciled differences with ASU, will be Academic Staff Union of universities for inside Nigeria, Ubonge government, they say now today, they present the certificate of registration, give the Congress of Nigerian University Academics. And they say these people, they be separate, they come out themselves from inside ASU. You understand? And, you know, based on the commoting of themselves for inside ASU, we don't know what's made them commot. You know, say Nigeria, that's also faction, we say, but I never hear say ASU get faction before now.
This one no be faction.
Now breakaway.
Now breakaway.
Breakaway.
I know they are not there.
Okay, they shall have been there with ASU before, now they're not there again, and a Congress of Nigerian University Academics. I just the reason the name. First, what does that thing even mean? Which people go there inside this Congress of Nigerian University Academics? What be the difference really? I don't really know, but Ogbonge government it be like say they don't give them a certificate, they don't give them license, say make them start work inside the matter. Also, not be only them, they also give the what they call NAMDA, that one too. Now still union, now still breakaway union too, if you want to look at like that. But their own, they be National Association of Medical and Dental Academics. So all the lecturers there, where they teach matter of medical, you know, students, dental students, all those. Now they follow inside. So at least their own, their name, you know, from waiting their name, you go no say okay, now these people be this, but this corner we not really understand waiting be the Congress inside the matter. Well, Minister of Labour and Productivity, Oga Chris Ngige, now explain say these two bodies they exist alongside ASU. I'm not sure say ASU don't respond to this one, or whether I need anything for them at all. I'm not even.
They don't need response.
They don't need response.
So you know, if you look at Oyinbo go say this one now say you don't do two union, you don't put them inside one bus stop. Maybe they drag money. Make I tell you what the begin we go follow for inside this one. Now ASU own it start with Association of Senior Staff Union, but that one an association. This one, they call a Congress for these people. Meaning say, now when they want gather, now they go gather. They go get their own law. They go get their own constitution. They go get money where they flow from federal government hand direct to them. But problem can be say, as they don't register them, if they want protest, they don't go feel loud voice. In fact, protest not even their own.
Go follow that.
But it also come in say, as they don't register these two bodies now, government will come talk say, well, for now, no. When like say we no work on they recognize ASU again, say some of the things where they do, you know, follow for inside Nigeria way, say they want do what you call academic sabotage. When he says scatter everything. Because of that, they no go recognize ASU again. Say this Congress, for example, now, they go say anybody who want join this Congress, if you join this our IPPIS things where we register keep, in fact, the allowances where we done the plan and the good things where we say we won't give lecturers, anybody where they inside Congress, now you go see and collect. Anybody with they inside ASU, you are by yourself, now they go do them. Meaning, join can say, now where ASU don't get plenty members, people come the PRT. They cross border from ASU, enter Congress. They move border, move on this side, can't go back work. Because when they go follow, they say, government go come quick, remind everybody, say, these ones now, ASU as you know work now, and these ones they work. We not feel they pay two people may they come work, one go come work, one no go come work. We go still they pay them salary. Now we they pay the ones where they come work. If you want work, pull your head, come Congress. If you don't want work, we go sack you. Now their hand don't change now. But because industrial court, you know, if we change name, say now ASU versus federal government, federal government versus ASU, they know if we dissolve ASU straight by themselves, direct. They need make court case finish. And the thing where a reason say government will do is say they will come go court say, okay, we know they follow ASU drag again. We won't go back to negotiation. When they can't go back to negotiation, they will come say we no recognize ASU again.
Problem.
You see, say problem don't they load come.
Problem.
They come in say, for example, they go contact the state governors, once we get state governors. Carry your lecturers put for Congress, so because if one way they pump money for your state university through hand, your people must stay inside Congress. Any lecturer wey dey inside Congress go see money collect. You want when they inside Congress, you don't use backdoor command because you know work, you don't go collect money.
They don't follow backyard. They run things, so they don't follow backyard. They run things. How when I see this matter,
strategy.
Make una check them out. Make una hear follow us talk inside this matter. Tell us what you think about this new move by Ogbonge government. You feel say it go work. You feel say it go make us to shake body small, reason themselves closer to Ogbonge government side. What do una think about this? Especially Nigerian students, we won't hear from una. Those of una too, we get picking, we don't their house since. Una support this move so that at least the students we suppose don't day class, but don't enter class since. What do una think about the matter? One of the reason that will make we enter inside the next story. Femi, like say we go reason this other story.
This story go hot well. 3 days from now, President Muhammadu Buhari don't talk say 19.76 trillion naira. Now the money when you go present to give before the National Assembly. Now joint assembly, it be like say this one will be one of their last assembly. Onto the money where they go use for 2023 election. This one go do one of the major things where they go do for inside this budget here. But some say, but the money fee plenty, but now shock now borrow money now they use join and put for back. And letter where president write to reach give president, where he write give Senate president, he don't reach and Senate president don't read them. Okay, may we follow this better caller talk. Can you welcome inside program?
Ogafemi, good evening, sir.
Yes, so good evening. How are you doing today now?
Are they fine?
Correct.
Yeah, I'm not too fine. Auntie, a person, good evening.
Good evening, welcome.
If we see this government where they go to 80 years with snake, Ogafemi, if we see 2 of them with snake, which one you want wrong?
I don't even want to say none of them. I cannot lie you. Make 2 of them just be by themselves.
I don't say don't join them.
Okay. You don't know say I don't join them. Tete. Now you bring me join them.
I'll go run for these people. I'll go better my photo snake because Ogafemi, look at very well. After you did not pay somebody, you I don't know how you won't make that person they feed. The comfort of that person you no want see at all. Anything better make you no come that person. This person cry. Now you dump him one side with the money we do owe him, we no pay him. No answer him again. Carry and go court. For court side, they no work because I'm very sure say court no fee worker for these people house by house, frog them say wanna come back to work. Only in this Nigeria, the old person go still wrong, go court, go claim right. Now they no say all that way court give. We're not in the military regime. Now only for military we go other people say do this. As they know now say you no work, they don't run now. Come back now, come carry another body. Just say, waiting they their name myself.
Congress,
Sigini.
Mr.
Femi, make these people fear God. Okay, these people now, these people now, tomorrow now, it's like they go hold them. They go still do anyhow. Dump them again, go create another body. Is it good like this? Okay, see money with this man they signed today. 19.something trillion.
No, now October 7 you go sign them.
How many more to go?
And October 7 you go carry the budget go National Assembly.
So this is the last sharing. They won't share this one. They will close office. Abi?
Well, I don't know. I don't know. We will see what go happen now.
God dey.
Abi, God dey now. God dey well. May dey with all of us.
One by one with their family.
Oh yeah. Ogajo, thank you. Oga Joe don't arrange this thing where come put even body. See, he gets some kind of things. And I know say I don't do the waiting fee follow for inside politics. But now, the money where they owe these people will do as to work now, who go come pay the money? Now, where and that question come dey. And you know, say people go like anybody will go resume work now. From February 14 reach how many days now? Go almost, even if the girl get belle when she go at Papa house, you go not born for inside the Papa house now. Say, as to this strike. You know, say, things don't they enter. But problem is, say, they use this one solve problem with the ground now. You know means, say, tomorrow go come. The thing we ask to the ginger, they shout for, the problem don't go away.
Well, we're going to need to look better eye. Look at this particular groups where Bunge government they give license. Will be the CONWA, the Congress of Nigerian University Academics, and the one we get to do with mental and dental academics as well. Waiting be their own motive. Then where they even go collect certificates. Is it that they don't follow ASU when they inside ASU they quarrel? Is it possible to say even inside ASU not be everybody they agree on the matter of the strike? Now those questions where we go feed they ask, where will make us reason say okay maybe now waiting make them come out to go enter inside their own because them true they want look out from the side of both Ogbonge government, which they don't do, which they don't try to do. Again, and I'd always go back to that. The talk or the issue be say ASU Ogbonge government never meet any of ASU demands, or they don't meet some, they never meet some. You know, now all those things you go to reason say, okay, waiting they make ASU still day on their own. We go make people wey been there inside ASU before they come out inside the matter, can they find their own talk with Ogbonge government. So now all those issues, now we go to reason from. But the thing we got to talk, we go hope say we not see. We hope say these different associations them, or these different unions, and we don't come out from inside this ASU matter. Go at least go with some kind, you know, things where they say, okay, okay, fine, we don't come out from inside ASU, but this one, you need to meet up with us on this area, because we no go talk say we don't know say you know, the structure or the systems of education, or when you enter inside all these tertiary universities them, all these universities and all these other places, we no go talk say the way it is day okay for our students. So hopefully, as they don't come out now from inside the ASU, they go still stand on some of those things. May not be like say they just come out just because Ogbonge government tell them like this. Say, oh yeah, come out, make we answer you for this time. Forget ASU. We hope say everything go balance. But we not go really know until that time reach, because 2023, new governments that they face now. This even new government where they come, they go recognize this Conwa, and they go still they look the ASU.
Let's talk about for this country, eh? We sometimes they select problem and keep for another government come. Because no government go tell you, say the government will go before me. You do well finish you, they select problem and keep for the one way they come. Whether na state level, whether na local government level. Now let's select problem and keep for the one way they come. Whether one can start now. Even this as the way they follow drag now, no be waiting they even negotiate, no be 2009 agreement.
2009.
Now in drag us reach here. And now another Congress. The Congress go carry the 2009 agreement, or things go, in fact, the thing it get as it be. All right, we still there, they carry your color to different things and to different matter where with this.
Make we sharply look this one of the Advertising Regulatory Council of Nigeria, where they sue Meta. Meta na the company, as Femi don't explain, we get Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all those three people them. We be like say that they sue them because of the way that they do adverts. They say they keep bring adverts from everywhere, left, right, center. Just they give Nigerian people them without without these adverts. Say that they check and say okay, they okay for consumption by the Nigerian market. As a matter of fact, the word where they use, they say this exposure of this adverts to Nigerians, it is illegal, it is unlawful, and they say a violation of the laws, advertising laws for inside Nigeria. It just did do me like say this ARCON just they wait. You know, say they be ARCON before. They be advertising practitioners. It be like say they don't they target this company or some of people like this. Say as they change their name, bam, now this one they go carry come. Make we hear from this our call and talk with this matter or any other matter where you get to follow us talk. Good evening, welcome to the show.
Evening.
We welcome you, sir.
Coco of the matter.
How will be that?
This is Siri from Lugbe.
Welcome.
Femi. Oga Femi.
Sir.
This one where federal government they introduce, say, Congress alongside this thing also. Oga Femi, now war now federal government they create in these universities. If I ask, as today, maybe I know two of you are graduates. You know what is in universities. Those lecturers that will sneak to that Congress, they are looking for war. So federal government need to calm down and settle this issue of ASO. Because I don't pray for bad, because I know how Nigeria operates. If this thing happen, you will see killing. You hear say, one day, the lecturer, then kill him. One day, the lecturer, then kill him. You will see war in universities. Because even this one, they are fighting, this thing that they are fighting also are fighting in favor of students. So that students will get a comfortable home, comfortable place to study. Do you think that other students will support all these Congress with the federal government they create now?
Now, better question you ask, so Oga Siri.
So, federal government need to calm down. because we don't accept this one, though.
That one day, some people say they even feel do retire some of the lecturers. We say, you they follow us. Wait to where your application? They will come check. Say, you don't work 33 years, you don't work 32, you don't work 34 years. When they go now part of your board they cause problems. Say we understand your experience, we evaluate you don't bring, but we need fresh blood. And you know me say, government will come see. We employ new lecturers. We get fresh blood. We learn from abroad, learn from private universities, put them for work. Because say, but we no fit pay everybody. Anybody will come be like say no day inside Congress. You come be like say your matter, you want join Congress, no go join Congress. If you just push, you go front. From there, come out for work. Now control, better political control. Now be this thing. And we don't read them before.
Well, whether that control go there of benefit to the Nigerian people, especially the Nigerian students, now we go they see. The same thing where we the reason onto waiting Arcon now they talk, they give people like Facebook and all of that 30 billion naira. Now they don't sue them for, they say they must pay this one because they violate all these laws. Just one question where I get to ask, especially the people waiting inside Arcon. Una communicate this thing to all these people first before una bring sue. Hey, make we they put things we suppose they front first before we put back. But we they bring on editorial as all these ones they develop them. Time don't reach for us to come out from inside political worker. Make we bring our guests inside studio for our cocoa of the day. We they come back.
You don't do. I don't tire for all the things where you dey yarn.
Lord don dey right.
You dey yarn or pata? Shey you think say na only you fit buga? I go show you.
This matter don't pass, be careful.
You dey show yourself all these years, I just dey look you. This time, you go know the kind of person we are.
I've been the watch as you dey try scatter my future.
The future where I dey try
Organize for myself.
small. Na him you dey try kill abi?
Na to kill, scatter, and destroy my parole always the agenda, abi? Oh, but you know, Fito, not this time.
I don't set my own agenda.
I know how where your agenda go fit pass my agenda.
Because my agenda strong past your agenda.
For this election, the agenda now.
It's our future.
No violence.
Just vote.
Set the agenda for this election. No violence, just vote.
Oh, why don't you gawk yourself? Sell your vote, you don't sell your future, but that sell your birthright. How much self? Divide them by 4 years. How much in that? No sell your vote, oh. No matter the thing them they tell you. No matter how the thing they do you. No matter how much money them they give you. No sell your photo. No need to fight, oh. Because your picking no go join you. They go they won't corner, they laugh you. Oh, no sell your photo.
Yeah. Okay. If you look at the situation, everything harsh for this our nation. Poverty rising and inflation. Line still day for the fuel station. Things gotta change, my determination. This election, no intimidation. Protect your selection, we gotta make sure everybody votes count for the future. For the future.
Shine your eye, well. No let anybody deceive you. Don't let them take your vote from you. Now your future be that. Yeah. Now your future be that, yeah. Oh, yeah. Together we can make Nigeria better. Oh, yeah. One voice. We can make Nigeria better. Oh, yeah.
No sell your vote, oh. No sell your vote. No matter the thing them they tell you.
Them done they show their face, oh. No sell your right, oh. Now follow them fight, oh.
Hey, it's over to you, so no fear, speak up, you yo. So ginger,
Don't let anybody spoil them for you. The power is in you. No sell ammo for money, oh. No sell your boat, your right, your hoe for fufu.
Umaizasu baku sai ya kare duk wani tanadin ku sun shashare hankalin ku kar ya bace gaba tafi bayewa taimaki kanka taimaki kanki mi rayuwa da inganci.
No need to fight, oh, because you're picking no good joy, oh. They go, they won't corner, they love you, oh, don't sell your food for your bag,
Hey, mommy, daddy, CC, baby, no make mistake today, it goes for your tomorrow. Mommy, daddy, CC, baby, the time don't come again to go, so make we match. Go,
we go both. We go come to work together. We go both. We go decide our future.
Oh, no matter where you come from, we're part of a great nation. Now, so everyone sing with me, yeah. From the hilltops of Obiddatti and then from the plateaus of Jos and Taraba, from the food baskets of Cocoa and Otubo, yeah, to the smiling, shining sun in Sokoto, we go photo. From Ondo to Taiwan, we go photo. From Port Harcourt to Kaduna, yeah, till no one is left behind. Nigeria is yours and mine. Oh, 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 yeah.
Ngema, alonyanga put together. Ngema, alogweja with each other. Oh, let my baby. Votes are only with your PVC, man. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Carry welcome back inside that program with the this now cocoa of the matter. May we look cocoa of the day. Now, when we start this journey from inside the political campaign, Labour Party, some say last year will be Labour Party. Now this year, it be like say they don't get name, they don't get package. People don't they join them, people don't they reason them, people don't they like them. Some unlike them, some people don't like the people there. But the different things where they show face for inside cocoa of the day, we won't look for Labour Party matter now say. Because no, which one be Obiddatti movement? Is separate from wetin Labour Party won't do, or even work with the one way some people they call, Oyinbo people they call third force for inside the talk. All these things as a pass. Now him won't look the matter. You know, say vegetable wey go sweet, he must know the face of pounded yam. Like the matter we won't bring come. And yes, better guests follow me day inside today with this soon. Chris Kennedy Anotu, and Assistant National Secretary for Labour Party. Carry welcome inside program today.
Thank you, my brother.
Yes, sir. And Madam Nana Sani Kazari Ehen, a member, media team, Obiddatti Presidential Campaign Organization. You do it.
Thank you.
In our package, make our first ask. Inside Labour Party, where we did so, which junction, that the reason say, Oga Peter Obi, he joined Labour Party. Because now, when someone, we just see, so Oga will tell me, say, I know they do presidential candidate again. And then Peter Obi, they unveil him. And be like, say, quarrel no day or quarrel no day. I beg, make I start with you, madam, onto this issue of the point where Peter Obi enter Labour Party and how they blend, join like that. May we start from your end.
Thank you very much. One thing where you go notice, we say, the man where then they call Peter Obi. The man get waiting with they call in Hausa, with they call him Genie. It means say, yes, it means say people like him well. He's a likable person. He's a people's person. Anybody will meet Peter Obi, go not say the man, they humble, they honest. Even the time where he be governor for Anambra State, the man shows us, and now, you see they talk him, he get 4 C's, capability, commitment, character. Me, they like to, they add good character. All these things Peter Obi get him. You understand? So that now why you go see say somebody like Oga Patutomi, Professor Patutomi go say, you know what? I get this agenda, but I go step down for this guy. Because he knows say the guy gets brain. He get mind to do good things for Nigeria. So even our campaign DG, he must step down. Say make this man come be on top of things to be the presidential candidate.
We agree. Now that one we see. But you know, some people they talk and say, Peter Obi just reason now, you wake up one night and say, as this article thing no go work for us this year, maybe we just shift body, go the other side, go Labour Party. Waiting, I will want know now ask say how you reason how you take join the party, because all these better people where some people say they step down. He good.
Cool
but
down.
at the same time some people say now chance them.
Not be chancing. Not be chancing. See, man, let me tell you understand something. Peter Obi look in agenda for Nigeria. He see say he align with waiting Labour Party they talk. Let me just put it in plain pidgin English. If you are earning, if you know say you they earn legitimate income for Nigeria, you are automatically a member of Labour. And then he don't decide say I want lead these people. What better way than to follow the Labour Party? Some people go talk say Labour is leftist. Peter Obi had to make a left turn to take the right decision, and that's why it's Labour Party.
Okay, now can go Maga where they here. Where we start this thing very well. You know, say small confusion don't come the day outside now. I know say some people go say, you get as Labour Party they but as Peter Obi don't come now, can't give them ginger, they can't get name, they can't they show face, they can't be like say they not be thought force again, they can't be like forced by themselves. Yes. You agree say Labour Party, you know get months before Peter Obi follow join, because if like say the party before that time, with the reason say, maybe they go join one other party, or the small other party, they go do some, we should go join them, maybe come package, be better thought first. But as Peter Obi don't come now, they come they do Buga say, these other ones, we don't need them. Who be Labour Party before Peter Obi join?
My brother, thank you so much. Labour Party, na party we don dey Nigeria for over 20 years now. No be new party. As you see the party, their philosophy of social democracy has been there. It started as a party for social democrats. And eventually, along the line, it was changed to the Labour Party because it's an institutional obligation, achievement, objectives. You know, the labor unions, they felt that they have to take leadership process into their hand. And that was how Labour Party come to be born. And today, what we are seeing today is not different from what we've been asking Nigerians to do, you know, to come to a place that reflects human being As you know, Labour Party, their logo na Papa Mama Pikin. You know, na party where have the face of human being. You understand? So is na the force be this, no be third force.
So now the first make I come reverse the question because the question was say has never asked. I said who be Labour Party before then? We don't know any governor. I be like say select keep for head. No governor. Wake up for Labour Party. All this why.
If you don't know, if you don't know, and you be media person, now you say you don't want
now you dey say Labour Party.
You remember say Governor Mimiko
yes.
do 8 years under Labour Party.
Yes, I remember.
You remember say Adams Oshomole was running election under Labour Party before alliance with ACN.
No, wait. The Mimiko win. We not talk. Everybody they run. If you run, may no win.
Oma Agege where you see win Senate for under Labour Party. There's one for Benue. Make I no call his name. God Day.
Why no call
for I don't call him eventually. God Day. He won House of Reps under Labour Party. There are many of them that have won election under. If anybody tells you that nobody know Labour Party before now, that person is deceiving himself.
Okay, so now it can't make sense. I just the reason now. When Oga Peter Obi they talk, make I come to you, Ajia, on top of the matter. In they talk in own personal voice, people say, now so as I know this man for Anambra State, now I know him, now he still they talk. He know number, he know Nigeria, he know this, he know that. Now so they talk. They say, I no go collect money, I no they give money, give anybody, all those kind of things. It can't be like say when he talk, he won't talk onto his own personal value. Now in Labour Party come blend say, we'll collect some, we'll leave some, you know, onto this kind of thing. Waiting you reason, onto this issue of Peter Obi and the influence we carry for Labour Party. You get what they ask? Because some now, the Tory way they now say money matter, Labour Party go say, we know they give shishi, no mean say if anybody surrender money, give us, we go collect. Peter Obi go say, I no ask anybody for money. Now I no get structure. I no create a movement. Now movement where I just they hear. Exactly. Why people can't they say that they create structure, create this? Because if you look at the party now, for example, Nigeria, the one way they get loud movement pass for Lagos for this go here, movement for Peter Obi one thing. This one, that one, that one. You no get structure, but structure still they come outside. What you reason?
If I understand the question where they ask me now, they ask me say. Waiting I reason in terms of the support groups where they come out for Peter Obi and you know they spend shishi. But now so it be. Nigerians don't decide, say, we by ourselves, now we won't take back our country. When we and you been they grow, I shall say you they hear the leaders of tomorrow. Leaders of tomorrow. Tomorrow don't come now. The young people say, we want to. Tomorrow is here. And they no get time to they wait for people when no they ready to give them good schools. To make sure that they remain in school. It's one thing, say then create school. Say then remain in the school. ASO strike today, ASO strike tomorrow. People don't talk, say we want they involved in security matters. We want they involved in the electoral matters. Before people go say, it not concern me. Now people say we are coming out. We want to show our support. Anyhow we go be. We want to make sure, say, then go register our voices. We want to make sure, say, then go register our votes. We want guard our votes. It's bad as we want to do them so.
You know bad.
Exactly.
It can't mean say Labour Party now. Because the reason why are the reason this thing. Because sometimes we see them for America. And now I go use ask you a question. We get Donald Trump that time. In a Republican. When he do, it can't be like say he can't be past the Republican Party. He can't they make decision where people say, Republican finish, he report, Republican finish. Say he can make some of these things. He go think something, he go say, this man get independent behavior like another party character. Small, they say this man now he want his own thing now in the do am. And with that one, he take use and run. So till you get reach one bus stop where people were there inside a Republican Party, come they say, this Donald Trump, may we don't manage him, may he do, may he come out, may we not say our party they intact. So I don't talk say that the thing with Peter Obi be, I just the reason I say he gets his own idea where everybody understand and where they front, where for inside that one. You want to talk something?
I want to talk one small thing. You see that idea where Peter Obi gets, he don't talk him before and we don't got, that thing don't turn to Aka-Aradite with all of us. In talk say, in they run for this presidency for Nigeria through us. We are the ones running for the presidency through him.
So that ideology where they think say they different. Now our ideology, Peter Obi, they move for us. Now I make that movement come catch fire. It don't turn tsunami. Before it just be like small, you know, say when Hamatan there you go, they see small breeze, they blow. We just they look them from there, it turn to hurricane, from there it don't turn tsunami. Yes, so now 40 different cities now come out do rally on Independence Day, unprecedented in Nigerian history. 40 different cities celebrating Nigeria and Nigerians.
I like the way they ginger.
Ginger will not be small.
But wait, before we go on, make I come ask my oga. This ideology thing, I won't go back there because I tell you, say small traits can't be like say Peter Obi own think. The way they think things is different from small. The way Labour Party they think things. When you reach money matter, they hear one thing separate, small. Say, we day, we no day, we go follow the way we suppose they do things. If we go abroad, we collect money for this or collect money for that. You know me say, Peter, they talk his own as candidate, we they talk our own as Labour Party. The ideology of the party and Peter Obi, he follow or he no follow.
You get what you don't hear. Peter talk, we no be waiting Labour Party talk.
Money matter make a carry go there. Make a carry go there. Inside Canada, inside Canada, when they ask Oga Peter Obi, say, this one where you can't talk, people will gather here, they use money enter. Money reach your hand. He say money no reach your hand, say no collect money from anybody. But Labour Party.
Peter Obi go Canada, go do waiting, he go speak.
He go speak.
You know, say, Canada no be Nigeria. Here no be where you go, they come. Nigeria, you feel come, enter, come out. For abroad, any talk where person organize, it go make money out of them. Now people will organize that talk. Now then say ticket, make people consider and listen to Peter Obi. Waiting concern Peter Obi. People, if you organize,
as the money where they make now, you know, follow enter Labour Party to help fund the campaign.
Now Labour Party organize the talk.
No, now you they ask you now, say money from there no follow enter.
No. Oh no. Go and verify.
So where now they get now money from?
Labour Party is a political party where sell form. We sell forms.
How much in our form first?
House of Assembly, House of Reps, Senatorial, House of Reps is 3 million. 500 person of interest.
So all this money,
but that time don't go.
That time don't go. The money don't still remain. The money still remains. So.
You no go ask political party whether their money still remain.
It's
like asking me whether my money still remain. Where we have people running the election under the party. We have support groups, like she said, where they support us. In fact, let me tell you, most of these campaign materials you are seeing, Labour Party never even put their money.
So, meaning say,
now people
where they work, support Peter.
Madam here don't answer this question. Wait.
No, you get why they go because you also enter my trap for this answer where they carry the
I know if you enter your trap. Many people today carry Peter Obi for their head.
But they carry Labour Party.
If you carry Peter Obi for head, you carry Labour Party for head because Peter Obi and Labour Party.
How many new people don't register? How many people don't register? Can't join Labour Party because of Peter Obi.
Since Peter Obi don't enter Labour Party, we don't see more than about 10 points. About 10.2, not to be specific. We have over 10 million. We have over 10 million people that have registered under Labour Party since the entrance of Peter Obi. We get card. And last 2 weeks. We did a summit where Peter Obi unveiled free membership card distribution to people. So we have all Nigerians now as member of Labour Party because after that free distribution of membership card, in fact, we printed about
10 million reach because it gets one time where inside Labour Party where they are ready to talk, they say, as we did now, we say we won't even do election. Up to 25 million people don't ready to vote for Labour Party.
Make I ask you a question. Now, all the people will be political members of political party, now they vote the political party.
No.
So Nigeria is over 200 million people.
Which is the reason why, make I use that question.
Nigeria is over 100,
which is why people they talk, say, if this election now, if INEC, they say like 90 million people register, and with the year noise of Nigerians where the ginger about Peter Obi, say some of them, now only noise they go bring, they don't go bring votes when time reach. You agree?
Campaign don't start. So, make you remember, say we are in a democracy. People have the right to choose. All we do now today promote our guy. At the end of the day, people go choose. We go see.
And you know, very say for real life, because it gets where the people where they use money go reach bus stop. Where when they do rally, with the suspect, say people will show for here, go show for here, go show for there. You know the fear, say people do
I don't talk about this thing before. And I talk very categorically. the people way day behind this movement. They no go do show for here, show for here, show for here. We don't pass that level. We don't pass where person go give you Gary, Ewa, Agbado, so that you go collect your votes. We don't pass that level because we don't see say it not work. How we go they continue to do something when no work? When you continue to do something when no go work, you will not go get different results. And waiting we want now different results. People no go collect anything. We no even want. Make them no bring and come.
Make them no bring anything come. Okay. May we call draw this talk go another direction there. Now we campaign don't start. We don't hear waiting Obiddatti be the talk come from back since. Say Nigeria we need adjust. We no go spend money, we go block things and all those things. In don't talk onto different subjects of waiting you want to do. But now we campaign don't start. Now manifesto with the reason say it go come out soon or talk go follow onto waiting per chance per chapter onto security. Onto this one, onto that one, way na candidate. Abi, I feel call na candidate.
Yes,
he's our candidate.
No, I want to select my talk now so that I go know when the reason Labour Party, whether it's separate from Peter Obi or the two.
Why you go separate?
You can't separate Peter Obi and Labour Party.
It go there very unfair.
Now Labour Party you go see for ballot paper, my brother.
I hear one gist.
And that ballot paper represent Peter Obi.
I hear one gist, and I gist a column. I'm not saying a news. Now gist a column, and the reason you get why I put them forward for gist. Say as Peter Obi follow with article work some time ago. Say in ideology, the way they reason things, say if you know too far from crossbreed of small articles, small Tinubu.
My brother, I know what you they talk. When Peter Obi was the governor of Anambra State, you remember saying the economic advisor to the government, national government. You remember?
Yes, I remember.
Peter Obi, now he make article even try for 2019 general election. Have you no?
I hear that.
Now because of Peter Obi, because he ran that election with Peter Obi, now he make PDP even try for that election. And now it's the same thing is what is repeating in Labour Party. Let me tell you, 2014 build up to 2015 general election was a propaganda campaign that people did. Propaganda.
Who tell you say they don't go down again?
2023, my dear brother, is credibility election. It's competency election. It's political antecedents.
We need to conclude. As we conclude,
make I just answer you one thing. Where you talk, so who said they no go do? Then go try. But the thing be say, Peter don't teach us how to go verify. So make them they try. We go they verify. They bring out facts.
Talk, because I hear say people for Lagos they say Peter Obi, Emilokon. They using names.
Now Obilokon.
Obilokon. I hear that one. But as we conclude, because we need to round the program up quick. Make I ask you this issue of Peter Obi and the thing we go do, to make sure say people will get hope. Because Oga Buhari talk one thing one time. He say get as a reason say I would make difference, but the difference no can enter finish because some kind things. The hope where they put for Peter Obi, you think say he heavy pass his shoulder. Make I ask you as we conclude.
How Oyibo they talk that thing? No, heavy is the head that wears the crown. Uneasy is the head that wears the crown. We dey behind Peter Obi.
But now no help and wear crown.
We go help her hold the crown. That crown no go fall. Uneasy is the head that wears that crown. But we his supporters, now we go be government for the people.
Now so it's supposed
exactly. Now so it's supposed to be.
Okay, may I allow you answer quick.
You don't say what Peter Obi go do. Peter Obi don't talk am. And Labour Party manifesto is very clear on that. One.
But they pity for him. No, now the question one asked me when you conclude the manifesto.
Yes.
Say you think say the expectation of people he heavy passing.
You don't answer.
I want you answer.
You know heavy. I not talk say heavy passing.
His question is in that.
You know heavy. Because our people talk say king they hear everything. Now because he get people where they follow and where they tell and waiting happen.
May we leave the program like that for inside today. May we bring better person as we did. Auntie Somi, no, can't stand near me. Now may they see my new height. No, may they come say Auntie Somi. May we end the come, no fear, Auntie Somi, come like that. come. Auntie Somi, me na me beg Auntie Somi, she come call her name. It is sweet when
Auntie Somi,
all of us they begging now. Come. Yes, we won't end the program like this today. Separate, different. Now, not say they see us for share, but me I know truth to say are short. So that even when I sit up for share, Auntie Somi talk past me. We don't better talk as Auntie Somi they enter inside program to follow us conclude. She they come. Auntie Somi know where I hit. Waka fast now before this will start. They shout for my head for yeah. Where Oga Prince Kennedy are known to as Star National Secretary, Labour Party, don't follow us talk. And of course, I must also greet Madam Nana Sani Kazori, member media team, Obiddatti presidential campaign. Oh yeah, now, Auntie Somi, carry welcome. Thank you. Oh, thank you, saying now follow us talk inside program today.
Thank you.
All right, that's all we're going to leave program today. On behalf of Auntie Somi, staff on my back with fresh macaroni here. Thank you so much. My name is Nafemidi, and name is Somi Alegeno. Better evening, enjoy you.